Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a text hover effect inside of Webflow, okay? Now, I want you to create, first of all, a text layer or a text, block, okay? So I'm just going to select this part of the website, which is empty, and I'm going to go to the add button here, to add elements, and I'm going to look for, I don't know, for a heading, for example, okay? Something like this. And I'm going to modify this to, I don't know, for example, click here to get a discount, right? Now, let's modify this a little bit by going into style, and you want to go to your position, and I'm going to center it here, and you can also select the font or, the size, whatever, okay? Now, let's go to interaction, okay, which is the part that you're looking for. And you want to add a new element trigger, and you want to add it, or you want to make it a mouse hovered, okay? And your action should be to either, fade, flip, grow, shrink, pop, pulse. There's a bunch of them that you can actually select, or you can even create your custom one, okay, by clicking on store and, animation here. In my case, I'm gonna select something for this. I don't know. Let's check. What's gonna look good for text is gonna be something like a pop effect, okay? And you can add, for example, a certain delay to make it look more natural. 100 milliseconds is decent, okay? So let's click on preview here, okay? And as you can see, we get this pop effect, okay? You can also preview it on how it's going to look by going into your preview, button here. And if I hover through it, look what's going to happen. It's going to pop, okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.